Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss about reported speech, and we will practice the question answers. Already we have discussed the rules and the basic rules. The one thing that you will always remember that simple past changes into past perfect. Okay, simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Two rules, very important to remember, that simple past changes into past perfect, and past continuous or progressive, that is ing form, changes into past perfect continuous. I give two examples of each simple past. Suppose we can say he said, I did this work. I did this work. Okay, see here. So this is the reporting verb, the verb of the reporting speech. We have to change this verb in the right side. This verb, we cannot change this verb. The root verb we cannot change. Okay, so here it is in simple past. Then we can change he shared that. This is the answer. He shared that he had done. Did he had done. This will be changed into that. That like. See here, the inverted comma will be removed when you write the answer. That will be added. He said that, but this verb will never be changed. We cannot change. If it is he says, it will be written said. There is no change. But we have to change the verb of reporting speech. Okay. So he said, I did this work. He said that he had done that work. Okay. So this is simple past changes into past perfect. So next rule is past continuous or progressive. This is called also progressive. Okay, this is progressive. This is progressive. Okay, the work is in progress. Then it will be changed into past perfect continuous. One example I am giving. Okay, he said, I was writing. I was writing in the last evening. In the last evening. Okay. In the last evening. In the last evening. Okay. I was writing. But here the tense form is past progressive. And we have to change this one. Okay. We have to change this one. So he said, as per the rule, he said that, matlab, I was writing. The rule applies if we find the verb is in past progressive form, it will be changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, that means he had been, this is past perfect continuous. He had been writing last week. Okay. Last week. Yesterday. Okay. So these two rules are very important. Once again I repeat, simple past changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Is it clear? In next video we will discuss on another aspect. Thank you.